Jeff Keenan here. I'm going to show you how to hardwire your radar detector into the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland. This one's a performance. Okay, so I'm using Escort Max 3. It's a good basic detector with GPS lockouts. And I'm just using the Escort Easy Mag Mount. Now the key to get these things to stay on the windshield is to use an adhesive suction cup disc. I'll put a link to those below. With that on there, it can take pretty much any amount of heat without dropping off. From there, I just tuck the wire into the headliner over to the A-pillar. There, I tuck the wires into the A-pillar down to the dashboard. From there, use a trim tool to pop this panel off. Use one trim fastener to remove the passenger side kick panel. You'll be able to pull the bottom piece of the trim panel off, exposing the wires. Now, the wire that you want for the 12-volt switch positive is the dark red, shorter wire. I used a blue vampire tap to connect this and my radar detector cord. Make sure that your cord is fused. Then I taped over this blue tap. On my 2024 Model 3 Performance Highland, there's a 10mm bolt that's perfect for grounding right by the door. After all your wires are secured, then reverse the process. This is the only piece that gave me a little bit of trouble. Make sure to put the right hand clips in first before you try to insert the rest of it. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Tesla, Rivian, Wi-Fi, and tech products.